mini induction heater. For orders please check video description. 2% discount, and this is the video you must watch. 10 pieces coil inductors. Okay, now I share with you some picture about this product. This is the pictures. This is a coil, 10 pieces coil kits. This is a cable, and this is the power on off button. This is the product. Okay, this is the video you must watch. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 144 sold already. 1000-watt flameless electromagnetic mini induction heater with 10 pieces coil kits for auto use bolt remover. Okay, so if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. For orders please check video description.